In this video, I will discuss about organic kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening is to produce organic vegetables free of any pesticides, and essentially you stock the bottles upside down, fill them with organic potting soil and use a drip irrigation system to water them. What is the benefits of organic food? Organic foods often have more beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants than their conventionally grown counterparts, and people with allergies to foods, chemicals may find their symptoms lessen or go away when they eat only. You can set up a kitchen garden at home. Thank you so much.